227, 20, 23. Well, working on the ducks, amongst other things. This actually goes back through here, but you can see that right there. You can see that I got to do some more duct work. And that consists of, in this little job, duct tape. And we just so happen to have black duct tape. And so far we've done that one, and that one. And I'm gonna look up in there at those, but I'm thinking those are pretty good. I don't think there's any issues up there. And that's gonna be the hard one right there. That's the hard one. Got a lot of crap vacuumed out of there. So we have all of our vacuum run. It's all repaired. We have our wire harness run. It goes over here to this switch. Goes out there to the blower motor. It's in a blower motor box over there. Can't even explain that one. Anyway, the white one, it goes all the way out there underneath the hood, all the way down underneath the blower box. And the white one is your blend air door. The red one right here, it goes through the dash over there. See it bouncing to this valve right here. See it right there? Red vacuum line. Green vacuum line, which is not green anymore, but it was green. You see right there. Green, white, black. So green comes back, it goes to this vacuum control valve. So that's your white out underneath, green and red, and that leaves you orange and black. Now the black one goes to the vacuum reservoir bottle, which the vacuum reservoir bottle hooks up to this vacuum hose right here. Goes to the primary vacuum tee right here, big one. You don't want a vacuum leak on that one. So that means all my vacuums repaired. Now I got all my wiring. I got my wiper motor wires over there repaired, replaced. My blower motor, fan control wires, replaced. We got all the crap pretty much vacuumed out of it. We're still working on that. You're gonna need one of them. Nandy dandy dandy little vacuum cleaner. Something like this. The small ones aren't too bad. Even a little bit bigger than that, but they're great big shop vac in the van, and you're gonna have a real pain in the butt getting it around inside there. Yeah, we still got to finish this harness. And my cat next door neighbor's beef. There's your wiper motor wires. They are green, yellow, and red. And here are your blower motor wires going right in there. It's your blower motor harness right here. And they're orange, yellow, red, and blue. This is where the white line goes. This is where your black line goes. And this is where your orange line goes. This is your vacuum controlled on off for the hot water. And this is your manual control, because it's got a cable. That cable goes all the way back to that control box. We have removed so far one radio. Probably don't work anyway. One CB with no display, so one cruise control, nice and chewed up. Probably didn't work anyway. Gotta take the rest of that off. Got some more coming on it. We're gonna have to change the turn signal switch and to remove the rest of the wire harness for the radio. Take all that garbage out of there. Look for anything else that's not plugged in. We still got a few wires that are not plugged in. This one right here, it goes to the fog lights, which I don't have any fog. They don't have no fog lights on it right now. And that's pretty much where we're at. We're about to get our dash work done. Most of it anyway. Such fun, such fun. And that's going to be my real troublemaker right there. Cracked windshield. And it's cracked bad, bad, bad. Got to put all that back together. Well, after I get through duct taping that right there, I'm going to pull this one back in. And it goes right here. 2 screws. Going to put this one back on. It goes right here. And you can see the holes. 1 screw. 2 screws. These go on your ducts. Or go down there. Some might go down there on this one. Another screws. See if that one's got screws in it. Doesn't look like it. Other than that, yeah. Finished putting it back together, folks. Put your ductwork back, or your blowers back in. There's the other one. So you got one goes here, one goes here. This one goes here. And this one, you run it back through. And yep, it goes right there. Alrighty. My little reference video. It's actually like 75 degrees out here. And it was like 20 3 days ago. High yesterday was 46. The high day before was 39. And now we're up to 75. We got hit by a microburst last night about 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. But we're still here. Still here. God bless them, 405. Later.